How to search a person by image on Google. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open any picture you want to search. If it's from Google, right click on the picture. You will find copy link address. Click on it or simply save the picture on your device. After you have done that, open new tab, and at the bottom on search bar you will find search by image. Click on it. After you click on it, you can paste image link at the bottom or simply click on upload a file, which will open your device's picture. Select the picture and press on open, and it will search by image and all the information will be given. You can also search for product in this way. You will find from which media is it, Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, and all other websites. On your phone, you can also do search image.google.com, and at the bottom click on search by image. Then simply click on the image and it will search for you in the same way as on laptop. This is how to search a person by image on Google. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.